Tell us about what happened to your bike.
Cool. Hi, I'm Sydney. I just recently moved, and on one of my first rides back, I got hit by a car, which is never, what you want to happen. So I was trying to find how to, do carbon repair on my bike, and was discouraged because I just wasn't sure if it was going to be able to happen.
You had gnarly damage, right?
Yeah,
like
so
this area here is totally broken.
based on a couple of quotes, I thought that I wasn't going to be able to repair it just because it was a critical failure right near the derailleur and then the seat stay as well. Luckily, I found you guys, L6.
Check out this wheel. A car hit it while it was still on the bike, and see how badly tackled it is. Sweet.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thank you. In a couple of weeks, I had the bike repaired, and so happy to get back on the road again. And hoping for the best.
Ride's good.